Alright, everybody. Today I made some fried pork chops. Just a couple, But look at them oven baked pork chops. Let me go slow. Check it out. Okay. Now some baked beans. Make some good old cornbread. Gotta have a green with the cornbread. Good old corn. And then I made some broccoli. And I'm gonna add my good old shrimps in it. Check that. I made some little shrimp scampi. I got the lemon pepper, little garlic. Oh yeah, check it out. You just about cooked down, drain the juice off. I'm gonna pour it inside here. Check it out. Hold on. Alright, y'all, check it out. Check it out. See that? Broccoli. And then my full shrimp in there. Fear of coronavirus has us nervous in the hospital. Delaying care for a heart condition puts people at risk. Your heart health is a priority. Your physician's office and hospitals have implemented protocols to safely care for heart failure patients during the COVID pandemic. Avoiding care isn't one of them. Brought to you by Acumen with your doctor and the heart team. We come together to provide protective measures to reduce risks and safely care for our heart patients. Don't take unnecessary risks. Talk to your doctor about treatment options. Alright, y'all, check it out. Alright, check it out. Shrimp, broccoli. If y'all know, the other day I had nachos, and it's the cheese. Oh yeah, check it out. Got the cheese with the tomatoes. Oh yeah. Check out them pork chops. Oh yeah. Alright. Look at that clean. Check it out. Alright, everybody. Peace out. God bless.